On day trips, many Texans are faced with a tough decision: tacos or burgers? Well, at Mary's, you don't have to decide. Welcome to Mary's Tacos and Burgers, a local favorite for 25 years. I'm starving, but a bit distracted by a familiar face. Not the one on the t-shirts, my mom.
Mom, what are you doing here? And why is my face on all these women's shirts?
We're the Daytripper groupies.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So our whole fan club's based in Goldthwaite, Texas.
Yes,
That's
you
good to
didn't
know.
know.
That's good to know. Oh, nice.
So my parents live in Goldthwaite, as did my grandfather and great-grandfather. Likely why the entire community voted and won our Viewer's Choice contest.
Yeah, how many of y'all hacked the system to cheat the votes? Show of hands, be honest. All right. I know, and that's okay. It's a good bunch of ladies.
Absolutely.
Questionable fashion sense. All right. Love you.
Love
Mwah.
you too.
A mother's love knows no bounds, which also applies to Mary herself, who's working in the kitchen with her 2 sons.
All right, so you're the infamous Mary, the matriarch of this whole thing.
Well, I wouldn't say that. My family's been with me through the whole thing. That's Joe, my oldest son, and
awesome.
Gus is my youngest, my baby.
Gus,
Hey,
so y'all remember life without Mary's Tacos?
how much always been in my life?
When'd y'all start working here?
13.
13?
I mean, I remember mom and dad bringing me when I was like 7, probably.
Yes.
I probably made a bigger mess than hell, but
And
Hey,
this-
you're
this
getting
girl-
trained.
oh yeah.
Train them up in the way they should go.
In Mary's kitchen, there is a lot of work to be done. Tortillas are hand-rolled every morning. Even the taco shells are freshly fried.
Why do you go to the trouble?
Because they won't let me do it any other way now. They won't let me take shortcuts.
Don't ever let her change. I mean, homemade tortillas is the way to go.
Joe here even hand forms and grills every burger. Even has one named after him with grilled jalapeños and onions.
What's better, the G burger or the Joe burger?
Definitely the G burger.
Okay, here we go, the sibling rivalry. So wait, what's yours have on it?
Okay, mine has bacon, guacamole, got jalapenos,
Okay.
and some special sauce.
A little G sauce.
That's right.
That's hard to pass up, Joe.
a little extra.
You can tell this family loves each other, and the customers love Mary's.
Well, let me just tell you, everybody out there has smiles on their faces. There's a bunch of crazy gray-haired ladies. They seem a little cuckoo. You might want to call somebody,
I'm glad they
the
kicked in
sheriff
and you
or
brought 'em
something.
in.
Yeah.
Time for lunch, or rather, lunches.
That's kind of a lie.
I mean, yeah. I ordered a burger with a taco on the side, but evidently that doesn't exist here. And so I got an entire plate of tacos on the side. A freshly fried taco shell, I cannot resist. Oh, it's so good.
It's a loud crunch.
You can hear that, right?
Oh, I can hear it.
This shell right here destroys any pre-made shell that comes off the back of a food supply truck. Like, that is so good. When I heard about the Gus burger, I had to go for it. I forgot there's guacamole on there.
I didn't.
It just went all over my face. Oh, that is a messy burger, but that is delicious. This place could be either a taco joint or a burger joint, and it would be fantastic. And I'm not complaining.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.